Hey there, want to sell subscription products for Bitcoin on your WooCommerce store? We'll show you how to do it. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. No KYC or compliance headaches. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. The setup is simple and doesn't take long. You'll just need access to your WooCommerce account and your Blockonomics account to get started. Head over to Blockonomics and sign up. It's super easy. You can either create an account with your email and a password, or keep it simple and sign up with Google. Your call. Next up, let's add a wallet. Head to your Blockonomics dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the Wallet tab. Click on that. Then hit Add a Wallet. Here, you'll name your wallet. Need help? No worries. We have an exclusive video on our YouTube channel showing how to easily add different wallets. For this demo, I'll use my Electrum wallet. I'll grab the XPub and receiving address from my Electrum wallet, pop those in. It's super simple and safe because you're only using your XPub key. That means you maintain 100% control over your wallet. Blockonomics only gets access to your master public key, just enough to enable the payment process. And then click Create Wallet. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. See that plugins option on the left? Click it, then hit Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Blockonomics. There you go, WordPress Bitcoin Payments. Blockonomics is the plugin we'll choose. Then click Install Now. Click on Activate to activate the plugin. Now head back to the installed plugins, just like I did. Find Blockonomics plugin and click Settings. Here's where you'll add your API key. Let's grab it from your Blockonomics dashboard. In your Blockonomics account, go to Stores, copy the API key, and paste it into the Blockonomics plugin settings on your WordPress. Just click Continue. Once you've named your store, hit Continue. There you go, you've set up your store, click on Done. Another cool thing, Blockonomics automatically enables the Bitcoin payment option in your WooCommerce store. No extra steps needed. Easy, right? You can always double check if the setup is good to go. Just click on Test Setup. If you see BTC with a green check mark, you're all set. Now, head back to your Blockonomics dashboard. In the Stores section, just refresh, and boom, your store pops up with all the required settings automatically enabled. All right, let's go ahead and get the YITH WooCommerce Subscription plugin set up. So first thing, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, click on the Plugins tab, hit Add Plugin, and search for YITH WooCommerce Subscription. Once you see it pop up, go ahead and install and then activate it. Easy stuff. Now, once that's done, jump back into your installed plugins list. Find YITH Subscription and click on Settings. Here's where it gets pretty cool. You'll see a ton of features you can play around with. You can decide if customers should renew manually or automatically, whether recurring payments should adjust your stock, and even what happens if an order gets canceled. You've also got logging options, GDPR settings, and some controls for shop managers. Plus, you can drop in custom labels, so the subscription flow feels more personal to your store. Now, quick heads up, we're only walking through the free version here. But honestly, if you're serious about subscriptions, you might want to look at their premium features. That unlocks automation for subscription emails and reminders. Next up, let's go ahead and add a subscription product. Click on that, and then hit Add New Product. Now, follow along with me here. I'm creating a new product and checkmarking the option to make it a subscription product. Once you do that, you'll see a bunch of settings open up that you can play around with. For example, you can set the subscription price. Choose the billing cycle length. Like here, I'm making this one monthly, and edit the inventory along with other product details. Once you're done with all the edits, go ahead and hit Publish. After that, I always suggest running a test transaction, just to make sure everything's working exactly the way you want before going live. All right, I can see the product now has the subscribe button. Let's go ahead and add it to the cart and head to checkout. Yep, all the information is filled out. I'm going to select the Bitcoin payment method, and there you go. You can see the Bitcoin address along with a QR code and the exact amount in Bitcoin. Next, let's check this subscription product purchase in YITH Subscription, and there it is. We can see the transaction. If we also check the WooCommerce orders section, we'll notice that this purchase is properly tagged as a subscription payment. There you go, you can see the subscription tag for this purchase in the order notes. Remember, you'll need the premium upgrade. That's what gives you the renewal reminder emails. With premium enabled, the plugin sends your customer an email before their renewal date. They click the link in that email, go to checkout, and complete the payment themselves. Let us know what you think about this tutorial, and thanks so much for watching.